Live coming to you from Philadelphia Technician Training Institute. This is Mr. Ernest. He's the instructor for the industrial electrician, and he's going to explain to you one of the areas that they work on as far as in this field and in this program.
Good afternoon. Part of our program involves installing light fixtures and wall fixtures. So right now we're trying to install receptacles that'll make it better to have better access for some of our colleagues, not just here at the center of the wall, but on both ends. So we have a 10-foot piece of conduit. And what we're going to do with that is we're going to cut it in half. It's already measured. We're going to put a box right here in place of this single receptacle. We're going to put two blocks. Then we're going to put a box on the other end, which you can see. We're going to mount this box on the wall, like that.
Okay.
And then we're going to put blanks in the box to accommodate receptacles. Likewise, we're going to do the same on this end. But right now, we're just going to, here we go. We're going to cover it with a blank plate until we get additional receptacles.
Okay.
Now, in the meantime, first thing we do is we cut the conduit in half. I would like one of my associates to actually do the work. It's easy to do, but I'd like one of my students to do it for me. So we're waiting for a student to arrive. This, you can see, is very easy. All you have to do is twist this device, turn it some, twist again, turn some more, twist again. Well, no associates are available.
Hi. Can you come over here so you can help out with this process?
We have one of our manufacturing students.
I won't video.
So what we're doing is cutting this 10-foot conduit in half.
Okay.
And what I would like you to do is just grab this and twist it around. Not hard, just a little bit. Roll it this way. No, roll the device.
Twice.
No, just twist it. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. That's it. You still haven't cut the conduit in half, folks.
Oh, okay. That's interesting.
Okay. And then you keep twisting it. The knob. Yeah, there goes some more. Roll it again. Twist again. There you go. You got the idea. And in a few seconds,
There you go.
you have
Awesome.
two pieces. Let's do the same length.
Okay.
Fantastic.
Okay.
There we go. Okay, next step is we're going to take wire.
You're going to feed wire to the conduit.
Yep, we're going to feed wire to the conduit. What we have is 12 gauge wire, 12 by 2. 2 means we're going to have a black and a white, and then we're going to have a copper ground in the middle.
Okay.
So, we open the bag, we start pulling it out. You don't have to take the whole bag apart. I found you can do it this way. So, if you like, you can start feeding this. Let's take the good end. Yeah. Okay. Feed it through. Now you notice how I'm flattening it.
No more than twisting.
Can't twist it, gotta be flat. All the way through. And we're going to make it as long as possible. About a foot and a half, that's all. Yep, about a foot and a half. Then right here, we're going to cut it. So there's several methods of cutting.
Okay.
You can use an hacksaw, or you could use the bit by bit method. You pinch one end off, pinch another end. Our graduates will be proficient as electrotechs. This is the beginning stage.
Okay.
Now the middle piece, it's kind of hard. There you have it.
All right.
Next step is to slice it. We slice it with the safety knife down the middle. Just go a little bit like this. Right about there. Then we peel the banana. Peel the skin off. Always cut away from the body. There we go. No injuries. Cut some of the scale off away from the body. Then we add a black and a white. These are copper ground. So here we have common, we have power, AC current, and we have ground. Okay, likewise we'll do the other end. Would you like the honor of slicing and dicing?
Always cut away from your body.
Cut away from your body. No, not there on the end. On the end, just cut about 2 inches back. Yep. Slice away from the body. That's perfect. Then you peel the banana.
Always cut away from your body.
Yeah, keep peeling. Yep.
Peel the banana.
Peel that banana. All right. No, don't peel anymore. Just break the end off. No, that's all now. Take this end and get the knife and cut away from the body. Yeah, right here. Take this piece. Wrap it underneath. Hold it with your hand. Here, let me help you. Cut. Not like that. Cut this way. Cut that way. Oh, no, you cut toward me. Don't do that. Cut that way. Here, I'll do it. Cut away from body. Like that. Here we go. Okay. So we have one rail completed.
Okay,
Might wanna
sounds
cut that
good.
little piece.
Wrap
Okay.
it up.
All right. Okay. Good job. Next, we have second rail.
And we're gonna do the same thing.
We're going to do the same thing with the second rail. So I'll insert this wire. Turn this around. And I'll untwist the wire as I feed.
Okay. And why do you have to untwist it anyway?
Because you want it in there flat.
Because you want the wire in there flat.
For what reason?
And-
Just because it's,
It's neater.
okay.
It's less sloppy. It's good to have a nice, straight connection.
Okay.
As you see my other student is doing. Then you keep feeding, I'll feed, and you pull. You'll get it. Yep. Okay. Check the other end.
Keep coming. Keep coming.
Now, what about when you're dealing with houses that are like over 100 years old?
Same thing. rewire it.
I know that they have like material wrapped around them.
That's no longer code, material phrase at the time. So we use,
And I guess
Well,
my whole house
um,
is not food.
yeah, I'll give you an answer.
All right. That's a scary
This is
thought.
one of the best products. Romex. Romex has a vinyl coating. It's used, this is used for indoor.
Okay.
Now, we do have outdoor variety, but we're only using indoor for this application.
Okay.
Okay, pull the other end as I feed. Don't pull too hard because we're not twisting. Yep. See, we don't want to twist. And then we want to prevent scathing like this. Okay? Give me about 1.5 feet. How's that? That's about 1.5 feet. It's always good to cut more than you need.
Okay.
Now, here's the next option. Let me see if I can cut with this tool. It's harder. It's meant for one wire at a time, but let's see how far we get. It's not a good approach because it's hard to cut 3 wires.
But it's important to know that
At
to
once.
use other tools, you know,
Yes.
just in case one doesn't work.
And this also has a cutter. So we can use pliers, the pinch end, and let's see how effective this is. Very effective.
Okay, good.
Now I will take the knife and it's safety. Pull it out just a little bit.
And you're gonna splice it
Very
again?
careful, right.
Always cut away from the bottom.
Cut away from the body like this. And let me try to make the banana cut the other side. Will it save me time? Not really.
Gotta get the job done correctly.
Right. I still have to cut. See how I'm using one hand? That's how you slice the banana. Just like at home in the kitchen, except use your hands, use a paring knife to cut skin off of food.
Now, so you would do the same procedure that you're doing right now, like in
Yeah.
an industrial situation, you would
Yes.
be able to do residential?
Yes,
Okay,
same practice. And again, we have wires separated.
okay,
Now, the next step is I'm going to take the clean end and let me inspect to see which end is clean. This is the clean end. I'm going to use this end. I like to start with the source on the clean end. This appears to be clean. This is the cut end. The cut end has a little bit of a chamfer on it.
okay.
So what I'm going to do, for example, is I'm going to pull wire cutters. This is a 12 gauge wire. 12. So we look for number 12.
Okay,
The groove in there. Now, there's a trick. It's best to turn it around this way, the flat end. We're going to pull away.
why is
Here's how
that?
you do it. Well, it's easier.
Okay.
Now, I usually cut
Just
some.
because, you know, someone who
Yeah.
doesn't understand anything, may
Right.
want to know that reason why.
Now, some electricians like to twist. You don't have to do that. The
Okay,
best is the earnest method.
Okay.
Just put your thumb here and pull. You don't want to cut or scale the wire.
okay,
Likewise, let's put this on number 12.
you have what, over
Clamp
35
it.
years?
I have many decades of engineering experience. I was an aerospace engineer, retired, and I've been teaching on the job, and now I'm also a professional teacher, or professor, as they say.
So we're honored
So-
to have you.
I appreciate that. Now, keep in mind, I'm retired, like my work. Thing is, I already have what I need. I'm doing this for the students.
Absolutely.
This is not for me. So, that's it for now. I have other things I have to do. Pull out the receptacle, and then this is loose. Should be loose. We're going to remove this,
Okay,
shut the power off, and we're going to pull the receptacle out of the wall and hook up the wires. Before we do that, we're going to mount the box, this box, to the wall. We'll punch a hole out here. The copper wire goes in this ground. And then we have black and white going on both sides.
okay.
So you can see that we have the one wire is going to go in like this. This is a live example of how it will be. Look,
Wow,
here we
that's
go.
awesome. So then this way you can have a whole new socket in a different area.
Yes. Now, boxes have codes, and wire sizes, cables have codes. Certain codes allow you to have only a certain number of number 12 wires coming through.
Okay,
You may not, with this half-inch conduit, be allowed to have more than, let's say, 2. Now, if I could take an example, can I put 2 in here? Yes, I can. But always check the code book for the application, because a box can only hold so many wires by code.
okay.
That's
So then
all for
it's a
now.
matter of, that's all for now.
Until we disconnect the receptacle cover, we're going to hook the wire up, and from that point on, we can do more.
All right.
Thank you very much.
All right,
Hope to
thank
see
you,
soon.
and thanks to the students that helped. Thank you.
And have a nice holiday.
All right.